Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Mustang key. This process is straightforward, but it does require you to have two already programmed keys. If you only have one or no working keys, a different procedure or professional assistance may be needed. We will walk through the steps to successfully add a new key to your car's system, ensuring it starts and operates correctly. Before you begin, make sure you have all your existing, working keys, plus the new key you wish to program. It is also important that your car's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions during the process. Sit comfortably in the driver's seat with all keys within easy reach, as you will be switching them in and out of the ignition quickly. Now let's start the programming. Insert your first existing, programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for about 3 seconds, then turn it off and remove it. Within 5 seconds, insert your second existing key, turn it to on for 3 seconds, then off and remove it. Finally, within 10 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key, turn it to on for 3 seconds, and then off. After completing the sequence, your new key should now be programmed. Remove the new key from the ignition. Now, insert the new key and try to start the engine to confirm it works. Also, test any remote functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure full functionality. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the entire process carefully from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.